Hi, my name is Roxanne Basiles. I'm 37 years old. I have one kid's daughter and her age is 13. I'm married. I work in Qatar 2 years in 2017 to 2019 and now in Hong Kong 3 months. My skills is taking care of elderly, newborn, and taking care of pets and cooking, but I'm willing to learn to Chinese food if you teach me. My personality is a hardworking person. I'm willing to work with others or work alone. My job is taking care of kids and newborn. Thank you. And check my profile in Helpers Library app.